everyone. Welcome to Miss Beth's Place. Gonna make a quick, simple little recipe for y'all tonight. It's called dump cake, and I'm gonna do a blueberry dump cake. It has 3 ingredients. That's all you need. You use cake mix, and I don't know if I'll use the whole container. It depends on what size of dish you use. This is the dish I'm using. And then 1 can of blueberry pie filling and 1 stick of butter. And you can use any kind of pie filling you want. If you don't like blueberry, you can use apple, peach, strawberry, any flavor, because this is good no matter what. It kind of comes out like a cobbler. It's really good. You can also put pecans on top of it if you want. I'm not going to do pecans today. 3 ingredients: cake mix, pie filling, and a stick of salted butter. Get me a spoon. So you take your pie filling, and it's called dump cake because basically you just dump everything in the pan. So you dump your pie filling. This is something that you can make simply. I mean, you can cook it and take it to a picnic or to a potluck. If you just want something quick to make for supper, for dessert, this is what you need. Simple. But the taste is wonderful. Okay. So now, got that. Then I take my cake mix. And you can use yellow cake mix, white cake mix. You can use the Jiffy cake mix in the little blue boxes. You could do a strawberry cake mix with a strawberry pie filling. Possibilities are endless. You could also take and use the little packets of blueberry muffin mix. You could use that also. But I'm going to take this cake mix and I'm going to just drizzle it over here. I don't know if I'll use the whole thing or not. Let's see. Might be a little shy of the whole. We'll see. Smooth it out and look at it. Might as well. Let's go for it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Then I'm going to take my butter. And what you want to do is you want to cut the butter in little pats like this, and you want to place it all over the top of your dish, on top of your cake mix. So when this butter melts, it's going to cook into that cake mix, and it's going to make the cake part of the dish. If you have a bigger dish and you don't think this is going to be 1 stick of butter will be enough, then by all means get you another stick. Usually 1 stick is enough. All right, that's what it looks like. Now I've got my oven preheating on 400 degrees. 350 to 400, and you're going to cook this until that butter melts into the cake mix and the pie filling gets all bubbly, you might see some shining through the top of it, but when this makes the cake and it's all nice and golden brown, that's when it's done. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven, and when I come back, I'll show you what it looks like. It's been 30 minutes at about 375 to 400 degrees. I turned it down just a little bit after 400 because it was starting to get a little brown around the edges. So that's what it looks like so far. I think I'm going to give it about 5 more minutes, so that'll be like 35 minutes on about 375. Okay, we're going to take it out of the oven. I'm going to turn it off. Let's see what we got here. Voila. Perfect. Again, I baked this at 375, 380 for about 35-40 minutes. Just to, when you see the crust just like you want it, that's when you take it out. I'm gonna put this on a paper plate so I don't have to wash no dishes. This is our dessert for tonight. Dip some out, let you see what it looks like. You can let this cool off if you don't like to eat your dessert really hot. You can also put some ice cream on it or some Cool Whip on it, but you'd have to let it cool down a lot. There you have it. Blueberry dump cake. It's delicious, y'all. Go make you some. 3 ingredients: a box of cake mix, a stick of salted or unsalted butter, and 1 can of pie filling of your choice. You put the pie filling on the bottom, put the cake mix on the top, and then you put the pats of butter all over the top, and you cook it till it's nice and golden brown crust on top. It's hot, but I'm going to taste it. I'm going to dedicate this tonight to our friend Marty. He lives down in Florida. He loves my dump cake, and he dreams about it at night. So this is for you, Marty. If you're in the area, come by and get you some. Until then, I'll get out and make you some blueberry dump cake. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of dump cake you would make. Blueberry, peach, strawberry, apple. Y'all have a blessed night, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Yum, yum, yum.
Hey, how you doing?